Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you this Blackpink eye makeup, full makeup tutorial. So yeah, let's just start with the video. So firstly, I'm using the primer. This is by Smashbox and I'm spraying it all over my face. This is a very good primer, especially for winters. It hydrates without drying and it also holds your makeup very nicely and very during the entire day. After that, for foundation, I'm going to be taking the Super Stay foundation from Maybelline and just applying very little amount. I'm not going to apply like too much, just very tiny bit. So I need light base, not too heavy. So this foundation is super full coverage and applying like little half and pump all over my face and just blending this one using a brush, my foundation brush. And to cover my dark circles, I'm using the concealer. This is by Sugar. It's also very full coverage, slightly lighter than my skin tone, so it actually highlights. So applying it on my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, all the places where I want to highlight. So that brings out and enhances my face. It gives a dimension and just blending it out using my same foundation brush and it blends very nicely. It doesn't crease on my under my eyes, and yeah, as you can see, it lifted my under eye area. And after that, I'm taking a powder. This is from Faces Canada, and I'm just going to set only my under eyes. I'm not going to set my entire face because it's not required. It's only to set my under eyes to avoid creasing. So I'm just set my under eyes and also my eyelids for the eyeshadow that it can glide on. So I'm taking the Pop Feel eyeshadow palette. This is from Amazon and taking the very light brown shade and just starting off my eyeshadow using this transition color and slightly deepen the color. And after that, I will take up the black color from the palette. This is a matte black color and I'm just going to apply on the outer side and slightly drag it to the inner side. So I'm just taking the color and blending it with the same transition color that I've applied before that to my crease. So I'm just going to apply a little on my lid, but not entirely, just blending it, just taking the color and blending it, just taking the color and blended it. And it take times the process, but yeah, it's until you satisfy, just blend it down. So I was satisfied, and after that I'm going to cut the crease using the concealer and some flat brush. You can take any flat brush, make sure it's small and suitable for your eyes. So I'm just going to cut my crease very carefully because this has to be clean. So yeah, the more cleaner, the more neater, the more good your cut crease would look after that. So just take your time and slowly doing this. So after that, I will just make sure that I blend the edges of the concealer to my eyeshadow using my finger, just tapping the finger over that so it don't actually give me the borders of India and Pakistan. So I'm just going to apply a very bright pink color. Firstly taking up the finger and then tapping it on my concealer, and after that I will just take a brush, a very small brush, and covering all the concealer, just the where I'm showing the concealer, I've just covered everything. And as you can see, I've covered everywhere and just blending the black and the pink color together so it doesn't look like a border. And after that, my black color was a little fade off, so I'm just added black color and blended this one. And for my liner, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline liner. This is a colossal liner and apply like a wing liner. This is my favorite liner of all time, and I'm just going to apply a wing liner. The applicator is so thin and so nice. So yeah, I'm just going to apply a basic wing line to my eyelids and just drawing a line and connecting this one. That's how I do my liner. So yeah, my liner is done, and after that I will take the kajal. This is a Nykaa Rock the Line kajal, and applying a thick kajal onto my lower lash line and my waterline. And after that I will take the pink color in a small tiny brush and I'll just drag and blend the kajal to my lower lash line by adding some pink color. So it gives me a smoked out look and also it looks so beautiful. And after that I'm just curling my lashes using a lash curler because I want to apply false lashes, so that's why I'm curling it. And for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and this is a brilliant mascara. I'm just applying this to my lower lash line and my upper lashes, and just taking the Nykaa lashes. So the name will be in the description box. So just taking the lashes, I'm not using any tool, and just placing the lashes onto my original lashes, just placing and applying. Make sure to not use too much glue or to the lashes, otherwise it will can just spoil your makeup. And just uplifting the lashes by using my fingers, so it gives me illusion of a fuller lashes. And my eyes are done. After that, taking the Savannah colors palette, the bronzer and the highlighter will be the same, and these two colors I'm using for the blush, and just bronzing up my face, usual areas like the cheekbones. And yeah, the bronzer, the color is very suitable, like it's a light color as compared to a contour, so it's like a very light matte bronzer. It's not good for dusky skin tone complexion, but for fair skin tone it will suit so much. So I'm just, after that, I'm going to apply a blush. It is a very light natural neutral blush, and the highlighter is silver in color. It's like a pure silver, very subtle, not too loud. So highlighting my usual area from my cheekbones to my brow bone, forehead, everywhere, to my nose as well. And as you can see, I'm glowing. So for my lipstick, I'm using this Sugar in, and this is the perfect lipstick for this look. It matches my eye makeup, so my eyes are too loud, so I want my lipstick to be a little neutral but slightly pink at the same time, so like a neutral pinky brown color. And after that, for end, I'm using the primer water and spray it on again to test, to steal and set my makeup. And yeah, that's that. So the look is completed. Okay, so I hope you like this video and this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button before leaving. I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.